to my channel FlairbyMe here on YouTube, and today we're going to do the packets opening. And so a couple months ago, Lisa from BeebeeCraft contacted me and asked me if I would like to try some of their products. So yeah, I said yes, why not. So so I put some stuff that I never try and I would love to try in my shopping cart, and they sent it to me. And this program is also, this is part of their program, YouTube program. So if you have 100 plus subscribers, you can get free products by doing video for them. And if you interested, you can click the link below, and I will put the link to their website as well as to their YouTube program in the description box below. Okay, so oh yeah, so here is the link I will put on the description box, and I will I'll show you too in here. So it's BeebeeCraft, and the website is www.beebeecraft.com. okay. So here is the package I received, and I already opened it but not inside. Oh yeah, one more thing, this one was sent to me from California, so it's pretty fast, guys. I put the order and they sent me, I received it in a week. Okay, so it's not all the way from China. They actually, I think they have their warehouse in United States. So the one I ordered, this is the one I am so excited about. This one is shrinking plastic. Okay, so plastic sheet. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I cannot wait to start my project. Okay, so this is the one I really want to try. And then I will put the link to the material I received on my description box below as well, so you guys can just check it out or purchase it. And let me tell you guys, from all the website I check, the one from BeebeeCraft is the cheapest one. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty good deal. And then the next one is this marker, and this one is for the wax. Yes guys, I haven't tried the wax, so here I am. I get the marker one, and they come in, I believe, like, let's see, one set. So that is their product. And then let me open it. I'm sure it comes with 10 color, but we'll see. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, they come with 10 colors, and they all are metallic colors, so I cannot wait to start this one. I mean wax beads, and I'm going to try this one. So they come with the blue, this is metallic color blue, and then silver, pink. I probably gonna use a lot of this. And then this one is the green one. I will try on the paper, guys, so you guys can see it too. Okay, white. This is like dark silver color or gray. And then here is, I think, like copper. Let's see if it has color in here. It doesn't say the color. And this one is gold. This one is purple, and another green. Okay, so here, let me see. So that's the blue one. You can see it. Let me make it closer so you guys can see it. Okay, so that's blue, silver. Here is the pink one. I'm sure it will look beautiful on the wax. The green one. This is white. I'm not sure it will show in here. Probably won't. Okay, so this one is perfect if your wax like dark color, and then you can use this one just to give highlights so people can see the design on the wax. That one is the dark gray, and then I believe this one is like copper color. Yeah. Okay, and then the gold one, the purple one, and the other green, right? And I'm gonna make it really close so you guys can see it. Perfect, right? I think I really like the silver one and the pink, the blue, purple. I think I love all of them. So that is the color for the markers. I cannot wait to try. Okay, and use my wax beads. So here is all the color. Let me just put it in there. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this one as well so you guys can see. And then I have two more items. Okay, and you guys, I'm sure you guys already can guess what is this. So this is the wax stamp. Okay, they are really nice made, and I really like the actually the stamp, really sturdy, and I've been dreaming to have this one. So beautiful. Look at that, the teacup, perfect for winter. And I already have some project in mind using this one. And then the other one is also my favorite. I wish I can order more. Okay, but because I never tried this before, so I just ordered the one that I really like. Okay, so this one is, there you go. This one is rose. Yes, you're right. Melanie loves roses. Okay, so this one is perfect for shabby chic and vintage stuff. And then this one is for winter. Okay, so those are the items BeebeeCraft sent me. And thank you so much, Lisa, for sending this to me, and I cannot wait to start creating. Okay, before I end the video, I'm going to show you really quick the website. So let's see, website, oh here. So that is the website. They have a lot of items, guys. It's not only beads, okay? So they have like craft supplies. Okay, they have tons of them. They have like all the what is that, the die cut, metal die cut. Oh, and this one is the one I'm using, heat shrink plastic sheet. Okay, and then you can see the price in there, $9.89 for 15 piece. So that's pretty good deal. And oh my gosh, they have plenty in here. They even have stencils, and they have false letters. So if you want to create like a bow, this is the perfect time to order them. Oh, this one is also really nice. Okay, so this is my favorite, one of my favorite, the bow stamp retro. But yeah, I didn't order it, maybe next time. Okay, so yeah, you guys can check it. I show you the website. This really nice store, and they have different kind of stuff. They have for jewelry, jewelry findings. They also have some tools and kits, string materials. This like chain, this chain. I didn't see this one. Ooh, they're actually pretty decent price. And what is the amazing thing right now, guys? They have, let me go back to the house. Okay, they have October sale. So you can get up to 20% off, and you get a free shipping. Let me see. Free shipping on order over 25 plus. So yeah, that's a really good deal. And go check it out. Don't forget to check the link I put on my description box below, and stay tuned for the tutorial. I will post 2 tutorials soon. Maybe one of them is gonna be next week. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.